Hello everybody, my name is Ray from the VFC about IWA Show 2024. What new products we will describe to you in our booth now, just follow me. And at the first one, I want to introduce the BCM Air, the MK2. And this one type we already showed at the IWA Show last year, but this year we have about internal, we put the gate Esther digital firing control system inside. So this is the only upgrade for the this one kind of new type AEG. And also we have changed to the magazine, become the plastic one. It's make lighter and cheap. So if you want to buy more magazine, I think this is the good choice for you. And about the MCM AEG, we provide like this longer one handguard, 14.5 inch, and also we have the 8.5 inch, and we have another one 11.5 inch now in test shooting in the Red Wolf booth. So you guys, if you're interested to testing our AEG, you can go to the Red Wolf booth for to get more information. And also all the accessories we get licensed from the BCM. So when you look all the accessories, this all the officially products also. And then we move to the our GBB one. Last year, I believe many people saw in the MOA show in Taiwan, we already released those two types. And this one is our new conversion version, the BCM Mk2 SBR 8.5 MCM GBBR. And this you can see, we have the 7-inch handguard, and also we have the Mk2 BCM Mk2 upper receiver here. And we called this the commercial version because we have changed some parts to the ZEC, so make the price more friendly to the players. So if you see this about the trigger and the fire selector and the ball catch and the magazine release and the ball carrier, we all change to the ZEC, the material ZEC, so make the price lower. But the most important feature is we changed to the magazine to the CO2 magazine one. This is the new magazine, the CO2 one. So when you play this Airsoft, the GBBR in Europe or some area, the weather is very cold, I think this can be more functional and make you all the performance is better than the gas mag. And those two type is our premier version. The internal, the different with the commercial version is like inside all the internal is full steel. You will have steel bolt, steel trigger, selector, ball catch, and also you have the V3 system inside. And this time we're showing MOA, this version is the Asia version. But in future, when we release in Europe, we will change to the coating, become the all black one. So, but if you have any, if you like these 10 colors, also you can ask your local dealer for more information how to get the 10 one. 10 upper, 10 stock like this. And we also will adapt the magazine. Now you can see this is the gas magazine one, but in future we will start to update or can let player to choose you want the gas magazine or CO2 magazine. Okay, and then I want to introduce you. I'm very honored to announce about this type. This is the T91 SOC. And this type is used by our Taiwanese military standard issue rifle. And we also make our VFC original design handguard to gear on this rifle. You can see this Mk2 rifle. The original real firearms is the plastic one, and we also get license from Mk2, so we can use the Mk2 spec faction. And also all the rifle look like similar like the AR, but it's totally different because we to fix the spec faction and size with the real T91. So about the stock and the tube, it's all the size and spec faction like real one. So if player want to change the stock, you need to change the stock tube also. And also internal we have the VFC, the AR V3 system. But one difference, we have we are not only have the safe, semi-auto and full auto, we also have the 3 buster. Okay, so when you use the gas magazine with this rifle, you can have the 3 buster mode, but if you use the CO2 magazine in future, the 3 buster will cancel. And also the rifle, we offer the longer one handguard. So the player they can choose they want this one or they want longer one. Okay. And then we want to introduce the LOAR OSW Mk2. You can think it's the LOAR GBBR, the tactical version and compact version one. So you can see we have the tactical handguard, the rail system on the top of the cover. So the people, the users, they can setting their light optic on this rifle, classic rifle, and also we use the gas magazine. Wait, wait. Sorry. And we also about the original one will have the 14 stock, but you can also change to the adapter. And a lot of accessory you can buy yourself to change if you already have the LOAR or FL or GBBR already. And then at this April, we will release this FNC. You can imagine this like FL, the 5516 version. The old gun we got license from the Cyber Gun. And at this year April, we were releasing Asia first. And all the guns, like we have the special feature is we have the 3 buster mode. And also we provide a lot of tactical kits here, tactical accessory here. Also you can have the pistol adapter here. So if you buy all the accessories, you can make your own custom rifle like this one. We also show in the show in UR show this time. So when you setting all the accessories here, tactical accessory here, you can get more modern one. Yeah. Okay. I will introduce my friend Ryan to introduce more new stuff, and maybe this is the big news in the UR show of VFC this time.
This is our new product coming out this year, the AK-74M. It's supposed to hit the market this summer. The full steel version, the weight and the length, just like a real AK-74M. And also the butt stock, grip, desk cover, front handguard, and flush hider. It's the same real firearm dimension. So if the The packaging you have can fit on a Kalashnikov, can fit on our AK-74M. The magazine contains with 42 rounds with a feature of dry firing and it's made with aluminum. Very light and also good for the heat exchange. Upper receiver is a two-piece recoil rod, just like the real one. The bolt is a full-size bolt with a stainless piston. Trigger, hammer, here, all stainless, all steel. And then it's a roller style of hub adjustment. So it's very easy to open the chamber, use your finger to adjust your hub without any special tool. The backing and the interbarrel are Tokyo Marui VFC standard. So it's very easy to find an upgrade kit, but VFC is good enough, you don't need to replace that. So that's our new product for AK-74M this summer. The next one, behold the purple star. So it's a real wood stock with a steel front. It's very heavy, very like a rock solid, and it has an open bolt, like a safety, and it has a full auto and semi mode. And here, oops, sorry. Here's a hole, that's where you adjust your hub with an iron kit. And it's a top dead center hub Same, the backing and the interbarrel are Tokyo Marui VFC spec. And this is a green gas magazine, but when we release it, it will compatible with HPA. Here, like a magazine itself. So this is a gas container, and this is how you reload it with 150 rounds. Lock, like that. Oh, sorry, this will be in the market 2024 December. And the last but not the least, the full automatic pistol, APS. It has safe, semi, auto, with a magazine of 22 rounds. The FPX, the meters per second for this is 105 meters per second, and then it fires about 22 rounds. And also it comes with a stock for a full auto, and also it's a holster. Here can contain your bill, and that's a holster. And this will come in this year between fall and winter. Yeah, that will be all. Thank you.